In this video, you are going to learn about Amazon affiliate marketing, how you can sign up, how you can get traffic, and how you can get paid. So let's get started. Before we talk about Amazon affiliate marketing, let me explain you what is affiliate marketing because a lot of you are totally new to this concept. Basically, in affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's product and get commission for that product, and the person gets sales without any marketing. So in affiliate marketing, you join an affiliate network, choose a product to promote, get your affiliate link, and when someone buy through your affiliate link, you get commission. This is how affiliate marketing works. So now let's talk about Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon is one of the well-known website all around the world, and Amazon have their own affiliate program which anyone can join and which is called Amazon Associate. Once you join Amazon Associate, you can get your affiliate link for any product you want and start promoting. In the top of the Google search, you will find Amazon Associate Central. Click on it. It will take you to this page where you need to sign up for Amazon Associate, and it will ask you to create an account with them. Now you have your affiliate link, how you are going to promote it, how you are going to get traffic on your affiliate link. Most of the social media platform accept links like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. So what you can do, you can start creating content related to the product which you want to promote and tell people you have dropped the link in the end of your content so people can get that product easily, and you will get commission if someone will buy from your link. Now there are a lot of people who are doing unboxing, and in the description they are leaving their Amazon link where people can go and buy that product. So let's find some unboxing videos. So let's say OnePlus unboxing. So the first video, I'll not play the video because of the copyright. So the person have around 7.5 million subscriber and he do unboxing. So now, okay, so here as you can see, he gave the link to buy the product. So now when I click on that link, it take me to the Amazon website where I can buy these products. The person is showing his face, but you can create unboxing videos without showing your face and you can do unboxing on the table. So this is how you can get started and start getting people to your affiliate link. And once you got some sales, you can go to the Amazon Associate portal and transfer your commission directly to your bank. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. Please leave a comment so I can improve my videos in the future and create better content for you. And if you join One Funnel Away from the link in the description, you will get 14 bonuses and free consulting with me. So see you in the next video, and peace.